What's up, everybody? It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and tonight is Friday night. And what's so special about Friday night? Well, tonight I'm heading down to Denver, and I'm gonna go racing at the Dome in Denver, Colorado. It's a micro race. It's 2 inches or smaller, so I'll be racing my brushless whoop tonight, as always. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy the race. It's gonna be a freaking blast. Alright guys, so we are on the last race of the night, and I am here with Tony McFlight, and he walked away from me, but that's okay. So we're doing pretty good. So had a successful night tonight. Almost had a 5-lapper. It was like 0.6 of a second away from the gate, so that's okay. Alright guys, so another great night of racing. I did much better than the last time I was here, so Thanks guys for tuning in. Thanks for watching my videos as always. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you later.